It's beer time, and today we have Brickwoods Light Sunshine Ale at 3.4% ABV, and it is from Powder Monkey Brewing Company.
So, Powder Monkey, that's a funny name, isn't it? Actually, it says here. Oh, the name Powder Monkey is a nod to the young sailors who once carried gunpowder aboard naval ships. A piece of history that still shapes everything we do today. So we got this from Home Bargains for 99p.
Really?
I mean, I don't know how anybody can brew. What is it, 500ml?
I think so.
For 99p.
Yeah, 500ml.
So we'll see what it tastes like. Powder Monkey Brewing Company are based in Hampshire and they've been going since 2019.
Gosport, isn't it? Near
Gosport,
Portsmouth.
yeah. Although originally Brickwoods Light Sunshine was the name of the brewery, you said?
No, it's just Brickwoods Brewery,
beg
which was founded in 1851 by Fanny Brickwood.
Fanny Brickwood. What a name. And
this is a reinvention of their Sunshine Ale that Brickwoods used to make.
It's low ABV and it's really cheap, so I don't know how good this is going to be.
Yes. Light gold. Thin covering for a head. Doesn't look like there's much life in it.
There's nothing on the crown, just plain.
Looks like a lager, doesn't it?
Yeah, what is it? Pale ale?
Well, it says Sunshine Ale, so I think the original one that it's supposed to be revamping is couldn't think of the word. Was an IPA, I think, or a pale ale. But this looks like a lager.
It's not much in the nose, just hops.
It almost smells a bit like a blonde ale, doesn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit hoppy there.
That's it. That's all I can get. I don't get anything else.
And a little bit of biscuit malt, I think. That's about it. It's quite light on the nose.
Light in colour, light in the nose.
Let's hope it's not light in flavour, eh?
Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Well, it is a bit light in flavour, isn't it? And it's a bit thin. It's not disgusting. It's just... It's just not all that.
No. I think this is the brewery that... is this... No, it's not, is it?
Oh, I don't know. There's just nothing to it. Is this the brewery that what?
Oh, I thought an ex-English rugby player was involved. Was a director or something.
Oh, I don't know.
But I'm not sure.
Well, if he is, he needs to give this some gumption.
Well, I think he could, if it's the right brewery I'm thinking of, I think he's a director. Yeah. Steve Thompson, the ex-hooker of England rugby. He's a director.
He was a hooker, so he's right in the thick of it.
Yep.
England's most capped hooker. He was once, anyway.
And one of their beers is called Hop and Hooker.
Well,
anyway, back to this one.
There's no hook in this for me.
No, there isn't.
It's just... It's kind of what I expected, if I'm honest.
Yeah, 99p.
And then ABV is 3.4.
Yeah, it's just a bit bland.
It's drinkable. It's not unpleasant.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, you're not going, ugh, are you? Oh, you are going, ugh. But it's just, it's got no profile. It's got no punch. Got no nothing. Really.
It's dry, isn't it? Quite dry in the mouth. But it's just not much to it. It's a little bit of malt, if that.
I've drunk worse things.
Do you want some more then?
No, thank you. You can have it. He only offers me more when you don't like it.
Well, I'm not impressed.
Well, I'm not impressed, but it's not horrendous, is it?
Maybe this is what Fanny brewed all those years ago.
Maybe this was the outcome Fanny wanted. Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe this is how beer was then.
But thank God times have changed if that's the case.
Yeah.
It's like a really weak, low-level macro beer.
Yeah. I'm not impressed at all with that.
No. Me neither.
For 99p, I suppose.
Because of that, and because I could drink it without, like, spitting it back out, I'm going to give it 2.5.
So you would have it again then?
No, didn't say that.
No. I wouldn't.
Putting words in my mouth.
I wouldn't go nowhere near it again. In fact, if I see it on the shelf, I'll look the other way.
You won't even look at it.
Mm.
Blimey. I don't
What
know.
did you score it?
2.5.
I'm going to give it 1.
Oh, blimey.
1 out of 5. It's pretty pants.
It is pants.
I mean, some of their other beers look interesting, but this one I think is just cheap.
I think it's brewed for that purpose.
Thrown
isn't it?
together, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now, 99p. Brickwoods Light Sunshine Ale, 3.4% ABV from Powder Monkey Brewing Company. I don't like it.
I don't know what alternatives you could spend your pound on, because you can't get much these days for a pound, but...
No, true.
Yeah.
I haven't got a clue how to say this. It's a German beer. Feldschloch. How would you say it?
Oh, dear.
You should be able to say it, because you can
I don't know what
Welsh.
that letter is. That B?
B.
Feldschlobbeck...
Chen.
Schlobbechen. I don't know.
Feldschlobchen. Yeah, it's a lager. 4.5% ABV from the same name brewery, I think.
Oh, great. So we can't say the beer or the brewery.
I think that's what the brewery's called.
Oh, we'll find out.
Anyway, that's what's coming up. Bit of a tongue twister, that one. Till then, cheers everyone.